Hello, 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 hello. It's Rhonda said. I'm Rhonda. It says so right here. I found my old name necklace and I thought I'd bust it out. And I love doing makeup. And I was watching Instagram recently, and Kalaideos had done a new look with an older palette. And I thought, what the hell? I can do that too. Dust off this classic. And look how beautiful the packaging is. Just look at that. It is everything. And on the inside, it is just as stunning as it is on the outside. So let's do a look with this today and do something colorful and shiny, just like my spirit animal, the rainbow fish. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. So what kind of look am I going to do? I don't know. This is so beautiful. There's this beautiful cream color here that I'm going to start off with, which is called something. It's almost impossible to read these colors. Lo-fi, I think. I'm going to put that in my crease. And I have hooded eyes, and I like to do looks. So technically it is a hooded eye look. And that is just a beautiful color to start in the crease. It is almost my flesh tone. And it's just nice to have something there as a base. I do have concealer and setting powder on for my eyeshadow base, but what shall we do? You know I love the purples and greens, and I love a little orange moment too. Maybe we'll do something like that. But I'm gonna start off, it's so hard to choose. It's so hard to choose. I'm gonna start off with this shimmer moment here, which is Cosmic Cabaret, right here, this lavender. I'm trying to figure out which brush will work the best with it. I'm going to use this brush, this beautiful Sonia G brush. It's kind of a flat brush, it's not that fluffy. So, oh, look how beautiful that is. And it is pigmented and shimmery, and I'm just going to put it all over this area here. That looks stunning. And it's just going on like a dream. And if you've never worked with Kalaideos palettes before, they are super pigmented, super shimmery, super easy to work with. They go on just so easily. I just wish my eyes were the same shape and size, but they are not. So I do the best I have, the best I can with what I have. And I think that looks really amazing. That is just the Cosmic Cabaret. And then I'm going to use the other side of the brush and go into Galactic Gala, which is this green right here. That is stunning. This, except for the base and the crease, I might be making an all shimmer look, because I am feeling it. It is so pretty. Boop, boo, doo, 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 doo. So I hope things are going well for you. Things are going great here. It's getting closer and closer to my birthday. I love my birthday. My birthday is July 1st, and we are approaching well, this is like the second week of June, but we are rapidly approaching the July border, and that is very exciting for me because I love my birthday. I'm going to be 54 years old. I will not say I'm 54 years young because that's so cheesy. But I'm going to be 54 and I am proud of it. What color should I do next? I think I'm going to go into this color here and put it on my inner corner. That blends really well into that purple. That is, I can't read what it says. It's really hard to read the letters on here. And that is so pretty. I'm now going to go into a matte. I'm going to break the classic all shimmer and go into this purple here, which is Mardi Gras, and put that in the corner. Adds a little bit of depth. It looks really far out and colorful. And I can't wait to see what this looks like with liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and eyeliner, and it really brings this look together. It is just a beautiful shimmery purple and green look. I know the green's just kind of a peak, but it really brings out the green in my eyes. And I'm all about bringing out the natural colors that exist in my eyeballs. And for the lip, I'm going to do something different, something special. I'm going to do a hot pinkish look with Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in number, I have to get the glasses for this, in number 410, which is Party Something. Party Something. Not exactly perfect, but it's a very colorful look, and I hope you've enjoyed watching me put this together. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. And this was the Escape Pod from Kalaideos Cosmetics. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile.